Let's compare two fractions, 3/4 and 5/16, to determine which one is greater. We'll visualize each fraction, then find a common denominator to compare them clearly. We'll start by visualizing each fraction on a number line. Here's a number line from 0 to 1. 4/3, we divide the segment from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. 4/5, we divide the segment into 16 equal parts. As we can see, 3/4 is clearly further along the number line than 5/16. However, let's confirm further by comparing these fractions using a common denominator approach. To find a common denominator, we'll calculate the least common multiple of 4 and 16. Since 16 is already a multiple of 4, our common denominator is 16. We'll convert both fractions to have this common denominator. Let's convert 3/4 to the equivalent fraction with 16 as the denominator. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4 to get 12/16. Now our fractions are 3/4 equals 12/16 and 5/16. With these equivalent fractions, it's now clear that 12/16 is greater than 5/16, meaning the original fraction 3/4 is greater than 5/16. That's it. Using both a visualization and an arithmetic method, we've determined the greater fraction. Thank you for watching.